Okay, so go back to assignment and then past year 2017 paper 3. Okay, you should able to view this. So download and download. Okay, then I go to my download folder, which is this one. So these are the file, a resource file and the question paper. Okay, so only these two files. Okay, on. Okay, so you right click. If you don't have extract, you can actually you can extract via Windows Explorer. You by right click and then there is an extract option over here. So I just extract it to resource file. Okay. So I have my resource file, all files here. And this is my question paper. Okay, put aside. Okay, so let's start. Open the evidence file, evidence. Okay. Make sure your name, candidate number will be appear on every page of your evidence document by placing this in the header. So insert header. Okay, so name, method number MY961, candidate number, okay, and close header, and then save this as a work process document in your work area, name as 173 evidence followed by candidate's number. So file, save as, so you must always do this, so please get familiar. And then save as Word document. Okay, save as Word document later, and then followed by the candidate number. Save. So later you need to send this evidence. Okay, spreadsheet. You work. Let's see whether I can change. Okay. You work for the tourist board who use a spreadsheet to analyze data about cruise ship passenger in the Caribbean. Oh, the most efficient method you work. Okay, open and examine. So you open the file first. This one and this one. Okay. So we have two files. One is only L code and location. One is this decode destination month. Okay, so we have everything here. Okay, save the 137 cruise, this one, as a spreadsheet so far. Save as desktop. Save it as a spreadsheet Excel workbook, and then cruise, and underscore, and your candidate number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Save. Okay, in your this one spreadsheet, place the text cruise ship analysis left align. This one, left align in the header of the page. Place your name. Okay, so you need to insert header. Oh no, this is not left align, sorry. Okay, you need to insert header. Okay, or page layout. Hey, where is the header again? Okay, you just type header here. Okay, header and footer. Okay, this is the header. So left align, type this analysis, and then right align header, your name, candidate number, and candidate number. Okay, place the text last edited, so you need to go down, add footer, but the footer is in the center align. Okay, you go to here and then you put last edited on, followed by today's date, automated. So you go to design, current date. Okay, click on the current date, so it's auto generated. The text at add space time, automated, so current time, and then center align. Okay, I think that's all. Open. Okay, that's all. Then how to go back? You just click on this normal view, then they will go back. Okay, this is the what view? Page layout. Then you will see the header, footer, and your left align, right? Then after that you go back to normal view by this one, this icon. So this is the normal view. Okay. Next, merge E2 to F2. E2 to F2, click merge. Next, format this cell and cell G2 so that the text is center aligned. Okay, maybe can I do this? Let's see. Okay, yes, I can. Okay, this one and G2, which means you highlight these two, and then so that the text is center aligned, so you just click center. Actually, it's already center aligned, and then in a black color, black color, 16 point sans serif. So you search, or you just type sans. Okay, somewhere here, is it?
Sir, I can't find the sans serif font there.
Okay, then just type sans serif. Okay, it's okay one. Just type sans serif. Then they will give you sans serif font. Okay, just type it. Actually, if no sans serif, you need to use Arial if not mistaken. I will check it and let you know later. If no sans serif, should be used Arial. And serif is Times New Roman. I'll let you know later. Okay, next. Merge the A1 to H1. A1 to H1. Merge cell. And then format this so that it is a right align. Right is this one, right align. And then with a red color, 20 points, sans serif again. Sans serif. Okay. And it has a pearl group blue background color. So you click on this one. Which one is the which one is this? Let me check online. Okay. I don't know which one is that color. So let's say this one. Actually, as long as it looks like that, it's okay already. Okay, in cell B4, this one, enter a function to look up the name of cruise ship destination from the content from the other Excel, which means this one. Okay, so in cell D4, oops. Okay, in this cell, you enter Vlookup. Okay, Vlookup. Okay, we are looking for ant code from this table, so you can cross to Excel, you know. So you just highlight the table over here, and then put F4. Sorry, we are already in. No, V214. Okay, then column number. We are looking for the name over here, which is second column. And then we want exact match because it's so many A together. So if you don't put exact match, you will get trouble. So I'll put false. Okay. Enter. So I get the answer. Okay. In cell F4. F4. Okay, here. If you don't know where, you can just type F4 here. Then they will give you the cell already. Okay, enter a formula to calculate the average number of visitors a month for this destination. Round down to nearest visitor. So equal. Okay, I need to check this first. Okay, visitor per month. So equal for this period divide by month. Okay, and then I copy and then I put round. It says what? Round down. So there are two round, either round up or round down. Okay, so we go round down, and then the number is here. This is the number. Okay, you check from 0 until 1. So you see, if you put 1 means one decimal point, 3 you get 3 decimal point. This is the output. So 0 means no decimal point. Okay, -1 become 10, and then -2, -3. So we want 0, which means nearest visitor. So this is the answer. So 0. Enter. Okay. In cell H4, enter a formula to calculate the percentage. Change between 204 to 05. So will be equal, should be 2014 divided by 2015 or 2015 divided by 2014. Should be this one divided by this, right? Sorry. Yep. Then you need to go home, cell, not cell, hit this one, change it to percentage. Change it to percentage. No, sorry, should be equal this one divided by 2014, and then percentage. So it has 118% change. Okay, duplicate the formula, enter to step 4 to in each destination. So this one, okay, so now I can maximize already. So this one, you drag it down until the end. This one, you drag it down again. And this one, you drag it down. Okay. Next. Save your spreadsheet. Print the spreadsheet showing the formula. Okay. It is in landscape orientation. The row and column heading are displayed. The content of all cells are fully visible. So in Excel, you do not have evidence document. You need to do the printout. So save it. You just click save, and then print the spreadsheet showing the formula. So you need to formula, show formula. So we need to print this. Okay. Then readjust the. Okay. Then in landscape orientation, so page layout orientation, change it to landscape, and then the row and column heading are displayed. So you copy, and then you click on print area. Oh no. Then file, you go print. So this is the one, landscape, and then make sure your header and your footer is shown, and then this is in formulas. Okay, all content of all cells are fully visible. So make sure all your codes here, especially the round down, round up, everything is visible. And then now I have two page, but does it say anything about the page? No. Okay. Then you just print it out, so you will have two page. But sometimes they will ask you print it scale it into one page. So you need, for example, let's say the question asks you to scale it. So you click on this one. Let's say fit all columns in one page, or fit all rows in one page, or fit everything in one page. Let's say I want to fit all columns in one page. So you will see only one page, and then everything is here. Okay. So in your exam, just print it out like this. This will be your printout one. Okay. This will be your printout one.
So there'll be like a printer when our exam, and then we actually have to print it out.
Yes. In the exam, you need to print it out, and it is color printer.
What if suddenly on the exam or then the printer not working? How?
Yeah, it happens last year during IGCSE. The
Then
color go crazy. Then we need to shift all the student from one lab to the other lab.
wow.
Yeah, exciting, right? Sounds crazy. Okay, print all spreadsheet. Number 2, print out 2. Fit in single portrait page. Okay, so you close everything, and then under
So
formula,
now we don't need to print, right? We just save it.
now no need to print.
Okay.
You just put it. Just need to do, and then it says that on single portrait, so you change the it to portrait, and then you click fit sheets on one page, so only in one page and portrait. And please make sure every time the portrait and the landscape thing, you do it correctly, because if no, then you will lose mark. Okay, the row and column heading are not displayed, so this time I don't want the header. Is it row and column heading? Yeah, row and column heading is not displayed. Good. The content are fully visible, so you just enlarge it, zoom it, and check whether all the what data is visible. Okay, let's see this one. If is covered by period, then you need to adjust it again. Okay, so you print out 2. Okay, new data has just arrived here in April. Edit the data in the spreadsheet to show these changes. Okay, so go back. Okay, what are the data? So this one, March. So insert oops insert, and then this one you just copy, and then here you put March. All right. Or Jan to March. Okay, I'm wrong. I will let you know later if I'm wrong. This one you just go until March. MAR. Okay, so this will be 3 months, and this one plus 70041 equal. So you get the new result, and then for British Virgin Island, this one April. So you change this to APR, and then this will become 4 months, and this one equal the number plus 68457. So you get new number over here. Then print all spreadsheet showing the value. Make sure, okay, so you print one more time. So this will be your third print out. Okay, so do the same thing and print out the third print out. That's why sometimes you have a lots of print out in your exam. Okay, in cell E24, enter a function to calculate the total number E24. Okay, here. Total number of visitor to all destination in 2025. So you just click auto sum. Auto sum, make sure all is done. Okay. Then in cell E25, okay, now it's E25. Enter a function to calculate average number of visitors. So equal to average, and then you highlight, oops, average. Okay. Next, in cell E26 here, enter a function to calculate the number of visitors to most popular. So you find maximum, then you highlight, and then okay, that's all. Next, 15. In cell I4 here, use the formula to copy value held in B4. So equal B4, done. Duplicate the formula for each destination. So you highlight this, you drag it down. Okay. In E27 here. Okay, just type it here, E27. Okay, this is E27. Enter the function, return the name of the most popular cuisine. Okay. So it is Vlookup. I will use Vlookup. Okay. Do you still remember this is the highest, right? Maximum. So equal Vlookup. Sorry. What they want? Name of the group destination. Okay. Vlookup. The first one, I want this value, and then I'm looking for this table. Okay. This table, comma, oops, sorry. We look up, looking for this value, yeah, and then highlight the table from this, because this one must be in the first row. Okay, this one must be in the value must be in the first row, and then column index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want the fifth column, and then I want false, exact match. Enter. So Mexico, the answer is Mexico. Okay. Place appropriate label D24 to D25. Okay, so I will put sum. This is what? Average. This is maximum. Okay. Double click, and then places maximum visitors. Okay. Then save your spreadsheet. Print only D27, 24 to E27. So 24 to 27. Okay, only print this. The row and column heading are displayed. The content of this cell are fully visible. So you file, print, selection. Okay, only print this, but you need to set something. Okay, you need to put the
So I think the question I asked to inclusive showing the formula also.
Is it?
Yeah.
No. Okay, showing formula. For now, okay. Go back. Then formula, show formula, double click, file, print, and then okay, something I forget. Not forget, I just found it in Google. You click on the page layout, heading here, you click print. Okay, heading here, the print, you tick it. Then when you print it, only will show the DE24 until 27. Okay, you need to go to page layout and click the word print here. If you don't tick it, when you print, it won't show the header and the column name, row and head, column number. Okay, so we tick the print and then we print it out. So this is it. Okay, so all content fully visible. Print only I4 to I22 showing the formula. Make sure row and column okay. So I4 to I22, I4 to I22, also print one. So file, print, then you need to print this out. Okay, so in total you have 5 print out, 6 print out, not yet finished. So many print out. Print all spreadsheet showing the values. Show values if it's single page. The content are all fully visible. So just okay, and then you click here, double click, and double click, and then this time just untick the heading, and then you print it out. Okay, so this is it, and then all in one single page. Okay, sometimes it says it fits on a single page width. That means that you fit single or column. If they say fits on a single page row height, then it means that all rows in one page. But here it says fits it on a single page. So you just put all in one page. And every time when you print something, when the printed values out, you please check if your paper the words is so small until like even smaller than n, then you should already know something wrong with your printouts. Okay, so the last printout, extract only the data gathered for 3 months. Sort this data to descending order of percentage change, and then print these extract values, make sure that print out. Okay, so what I will do is I will copy this. Okay, I will copy this and then I will put it as a table. Where is the make table already? Again. Yeah, here. Okay. Then you click on this. You take 3 only. Take 3 only. So I only extract 3 months. Then next, descending order for percentage change. So you click it here, and then largest to smallest. Click this, and then set largest to smallest. Then print only this extract showing values. Make sure fit a single page, and then so you print only this. So you go file and then click print again. Okay. Oops. Print all area, active area. So you print this again. Okay. That's all. So 43 marks. Any question?
So
Yes.
for this assignment, right, do we have to like screenshot as like sort of the printout? We just
Okay.
send our whole like Excel.
Let's, if possible, try you print out, but you print it as a PDF format. If you do not have PDF format, then you screenshot for me. Is it okay?
Okay.
If
Yeah.
you have PDF, then you print out and then you click print, and then you like this is print out 7. Then you save it as print out 7. Then later you save you upload the printout for me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, total up for 7 printouts. Okay.
Sir, because after doing this like printout 7 then it's like quite hard to trace back to printout 1 because like in between added quite a lot of stuff. Then
Yes. That's why you need to follow step by step. Print out 1, then print out 2, print out 3. And then I will, in your exam, I will please bring a pencil. When you finish one, you take. You finish one, you take. And check before you go to the next one. Check your formula. Because after print out one, they have some changes. You cannot trace it back.
yeah, so sir, now after finish doing everything but did not print, then how leh?
Then you need to redo.
Oh no.
Only 40 minutes, you can
Sir,
finish it. Yes.
you recorded it, right? So we can look back
Yes.
and then just follow.
Yes. I do have recorded. So on, I stop recording first.